Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hades 2 game lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuck on loading screen or not loading around PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart our PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart our PC as well as Steam. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and now launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select a graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then check whether the problem is fixed or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -D3, D11 and now try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If this also doesn't work, come back, type -windowed and now check if you can play the game. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Now search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after click on OK. Finally, launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If this doesn't work, next method is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the driver a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After that, try to log in to the game and check if you can play it. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once you have done this, launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, click on check for updates. This will check if any update is available for your Windows, and once your Windows is up to date, now try to log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. The website opens, go below, click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time. Once you get set up successful message, now close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it, and after that try to log into the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC, and after that you have to restart your system. Once your system restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Hades 2 game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not.